So basically what you're doing today is you're going to be writing expressions. You're going to go based on what the keywords are and then determine what the operation is. So when you're reading the phrase or the sentence, you basically want to look for those keywords in order to figure out if it's giving you what operation you're going to be using. So here I'm going to start with example 1, and then you're going to practice on another one yourself. So this one reads, Alabama has 4 fewer airports than Missouri. So when it says 4 fewer, here is my keyword. So I'm going to go ahead and circle it. You don't need to do that on your assignment, but you do need to write the keyword. So the keyword is fewer. And when we're talking about fewer, we're talking about less. So in this case, because it's less, we're going to go ahead and do subtract. Now, we're not writing the operation yet. I just want you to find those keywords and make sure you're understanding how to find those keywords. And remember, if you took notes on that notes page, make sure that you use that, because that's going to help you out when you're looking for those keywords. So go ahead and write this down on your assignment and then come back and go to the next video.